everybody.
Wait.
Yes. So that is our lesson for today.
Lang.
3 plus 4 equals positive 7. Negative 6 plus negative 4 equals negative 10. Positive 4 plus positive 3 equals positive 7. Okay. When the two integers are different signs, subtract the subtrahend in min-med and answer is the greater absolute value. Okay. So now, guys, you have an assignment. Please copy this. You have an eraser?
Dito, Dani ka.
This is our assignment for today.
Kunwari ko makopya kayo, bibidyohan ko kayo.
This is 1 to 5.
Bilis. Bilis. Bilisan yung Delta. Kunwari nagsusulat. Kahit wala. Bilis.
No. Okay.
Goodbye.
So, goodbye, class. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. And thank you, Ma'am Bernal. Okay, guys.
Mabilis magpapakilala ikaw muna isa-isa.
Hello po, ako po si Danica Bernal.
My name is
Ang leader ng group 2. Ito po ang aking mga members.
Oh, Dani, kahawakan mo to.
Go.
Ako po si Fisha Mahirel sa Group 2. Ako naman si J.K. Muardo.
Naman si John Marie Manabot sa group.
Ako po si Pidio Treas Bernardo sa Group 2.
At ayan po ang aming presentation.